Myself Sivanesh. So I'm the program coordinator here, and this session is all about Oracle Primavera P6, and it's basically a project management software which is useful for civil, mechanical, and electrical. And what we do, we design spaces that inspire people to live and work at their best. Our work reaches across various engineering verticals, which comprises primarily architecture, engineering design consultancy, and contemporary engineering softwares. So I invite everyone to this session, and this session is facilitated by Mr. Hassan, and he's an MSc Italy Erasmus Mundus and USA Texas A&M University and MMUP Qatar chapter licensed and IAE Qatar chapter. So his professional affiliation, Institution of Engineers India and Qatar chapter, UPDA Qatar chapter, and ICE UK member. So basically, he's an abroad expert personnel. He's having almost 13 years of experience, and his work experience has seen Eversendai, UAE, and Contraco, WLL Qatar, Al Jaber Consulting Qatar, Signature Goldflow projects, and turnkey infrastructure projects, and international platforms. So I welcome Mr. Hassan to take over the session.
Okay, good morning, everyone. I welcome everyone to this session regarding the webinar on project management using Primavera Oracle P6, the version release 19.12. Okay, it's the most sought after and contemporary platform being indulged in the engineering, procurement, construction industry as well, and exclusively in the oil and gas industry too. So what are the insights and what's the overview we're going to talk about in this complete session? So this webinar is most useful for three domains in engineering discipline. It's for the civil engineers, for the mechanical engineers, and for the electrical engineers primary. So what are the benefits of acquiring the software basically? So for instance, like if you acquire the software, you'll become a Primavera skilled engineers across civil, mechanical, or electrical. So you could see the remuneration or salary part of an skilled engineer in India. They could acquire something around 70,000 Indian rupees, whereas a non-P6 skilled will get a mere remuneration of about just close to 15 or 25,000 Indian rupees. Whereas in other countries like GCC, Gulf Cooperation Council, we are just discussing about various countries with this indulged with GCC. That's like Dubai, UAE. You are all very familiarized with the country, and Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, Oman, Qatar, Egypt, and Bahrain. So it will be close to 200,000 rupees. That's like 2 lakh Indian rupees. Whether you acquire the software, whether you are not, will be just close to 50 or 60,000 rupees. So what's the role of a planning engineer or a project control system engineer? It's completely a visionary role. You have to be like you have to be integrated with all the other departments in your project. You have to be like you have to visualize all your roles and responsibilities. So you need to acquire the project oriented knowledge and the product oriented knowledge, and you have to be very much skilled in this Oracle Primavera P6. So we will let you know one by one. Project oriented knowledge. What are the knowledge areas comes under the project oriented knowledge? So we have time and schedule for each and every project. You should be dealing with a baseline, time and schedule. You have to deal with the cost management. Of course, you have to have a rough budgeted estimate. Either it could be in actual units or budgeted units or budgeted non-labor units, budgeted labor units, total budget units, everything together integrated. You have to deal with your scope management that's been described in your project charter. And you have to deal with all your site management, logistics management, being integrated with all the other departments that I've been discussing with you earlier. And what are the updates in the Primavera P6? You see, as a project management teammate, you have to provide all your reports and updates based on DPR, WPR, and MPR. That's nothing but daily progress report and monthly progress report and weekly progress report. You have to deal. You will be dealing with all the reports and updates. You have to get all the reports being collected, integrated from across all your domains and departments in your projects. So we'll move on to this product oriented knowledge. So in this webinar, I think most of the people who are already might be a beginner or intermediate people or an expert people who are working across various engineering domains. So you could be either working in an transformer electrical domain or an piping domain or a mechanical domain or oil and gas refinery domain or a maintenance domain or facility domain, substations, firefighting, MEP designs. So you are well aware about your product. So that's going to help you in dealing with your projects, to deal with project baseline, to form a schedule, to interact with various other departments in your design. In design, you will deal with all the incorporated with the feasibility study. You will deal with the engineering, procurement, construction, various studies about the technical issues, and of course, you deal with the rough investment cost. This comes under the front-end engineering design. Next, we'll go to the planning commission pro forma number 01. It's again who's going to award your project, who will deal with your proposed project. They will evaluate. They will have your necessary rough cost estimate. They will deal with all this together, and they'll award you in case if you're really equipped with the planning commission. And finally, we have this tender and bidding procedure. You have to have your pre-qualification document on your corporate profile. You have bid in two stages. One is technical bid and then is financial bid. And finally, your award of contract will be declared by this tender department. So what's project planning? What we going to do with this project planning? Planning as the second phase. So we'll deal with scope management as I insisted, like it comes under your contract, again comes under your project scope charter, and you have to deal with your schedule or time estimation, and again various types of resources, and of course you have to deal with your cost. What are the types of cost? You are like budget at completion, earned value at completion, estimation to completion, estimation and completion. All the performance indices like schedule performance index, cost performance index, schedule variance, cost variance, to performance completion index, overall performing cost index, everything. And your procurement, you deal with all your long-term long-term leads or short-term leads. You have to be very careful about that. And of course, you have to deal with the risk management. As I told you, it could be either management reserve or contingency reserve. And again, you have to maintain a risk register since from the scratch. So delays, again, is being defined by Society of Construction Law Protocol. So we'll witness various delays in each and every construction or turnkey projects or infrastructure projects globally. So how are you going to deal with it? How are you going to interact with it? So we'll have certain protocols to deal with it. So after equipping this Oracle Primavera P6 and risk analysis, you can deal with the construction delay analysis technique. It's called extraction of time climb analysis. So we have various other analysis that's going to be dealt with the course called forensic climbs and delay analysis management. Next slide. These are the other relevant courses. So over to you, admin. Thank you, everyone. Thank you for this your insight, to share my insights to you, and hope you have been familiarized with the terms. So over to you, admin.
Thank you so much, Mr. Hassan. It was a wonderful session. Thank you so much. And coming back to us, and these are other relevant courses like forensic delay analysis and claims management, Oracle Primavera and risk analysis 8.7. And this is all about Primavera P6 versions, Oracle e-delivery, Primavera version, and we are taking 19.12, and this is the recent version of Primavera P6, and we are going to take that. And this is all about the full course in following categories like construction industry planning control, plant shutdown management and facility management, and forensic delay analysis and constructions. So this is our methodology: planning engineer for a project control system engineer. So real project based data working, proactive approach for learning, question answers and feedback, study materials, assignments and assessments. So this is our methodology in Wind International Management. So we give assignments and assessments, and we give study materials and notes. And this is our unique feature of iWin Consult. So apart from other consultancies, we are unique from that. So learn from an industry experienced engineer, not like others who are either diploma holders or lesser practical knowledge. And we are taking the classes up to the webinar. So these are online classes. So it's a practice based class. Like we will teach you the plug and play model. It's not just a theory. And Primavera is all about the 30 hours of duration. The 25 hours will be the theory session, and 5 to 6 hours will be your site and construction management session. So almost 30 hours of duration, the software package will be. And this is our other courses of Ivan Consult, like other engineering verticals, professional courses and trainings like skill development program, interpersonal skills and communication skills, and architecture and consulting, and basically are the career guidance of engineering, and abroad education and job assistance, forensic delay analysis and claims management, Oracle risk management, construction management, and this is all about electricals like reconfigurable computing, challenges and research opportunities, and of course the latex, which comes under electrical programs. And these are general topics of Ivan Consult. So how personal and working behavior are impacting in our business growth. So we are having almost each week we are planning a session on this business webinar, and we are providing the TOEFL and IELTS and goal setting programs, resume buildings, Microsoft Excel and Power BI, which is more useful to all engineering verticals and others too. So if you are really interested in the detailed session to learn Oracle Primavera P6, so mail to this WhatsApp number. So we have WhatsApp and we have WhatsApp groups, and we have our blog like civilinvents.com, and we have individual Facebook page and Insta page. Do follow us. And if you are having any queries with the sessions, and if you are interested in the detailed session, please drop your message to this WhatsApp number. And we have a separate WhatsApp group, engineers and architects wind. So we'll post the updates through this group. So like job vacancies and everything in both GCC and India, we post almost more than 2 to 300 messages like per month, like 100 messages, 100 vacancies are there in our Wind International Managements. And we have a client company in Modern Builders TN India. We post